What's going on, guys? Mixers here, back again for another cocktail video, and today's cocktail video is the Green Swizzle, and I will show you how to make this Caribbean drink. So to make the Green Swizzle first, you want to get some cracked ice and fill up your glass 2/3. Right, now you filled it 2/3, guys. Now we'll go add the ingredients to it. First ingredient is 45ml or 1.5 ounce of Bacardi White Rum. Next ingredient to go in is 25ml of velvet Falernum, because it's a very Caribbean spirit, this one. Next is 15ml or 1/2 ounce of fresh lime juice. Next is 10ml or 1/3 ounce of Wray and Nephew Overproof rum. Next is 5ml of Absinthe. As you can see, we're using the Pernod brand. Next is 5ml or 1/6 ounce of Creme De Menthe. What you want to do now is get your bar spoon, or if you've got a swizzle stick, that's even better, and swizzle the drink. Alright, next thing to do now, guys, is top it up with crushed ice. There we go, 1 green swizzle. Now to garnish it, the final thing for this tiki cocktail. Right, so get your mint sprig and decorate. So there's our mint sprig. So get your mint sprig and now your lime wedge. And the final thing to do now, guys, to garnish it is 3 drops of Angostura Bitters on top of the cracked ice. And there we have it, 1 green swizzle. Final thing to do now, I wish I had a wooden straw, but I don't. So we're going to have to suffice with this. So get a straw. There we go, 1 beautiful green swizzle. There we have it, guys, 1 green swizzle, a beautiful tiki cocktail. Because I've never had this before, so I'm interested to see how it tastes, because I do like my tiki and I do like rum. So we'll put our straw in. Let's taste this bad boy. If you love rum, well, you just know what you get. When you get rum, it's a tiki cocktail. Just absolutely beautiful, especially with the Falernum Angostura Bitters, because there are a lot of tasting notes I'm getting from it as well. It's just beautiful, especially with the Creme De Menthe as well. Because it's just absolutely beautiful tiki cocktail. I'd highly recommend it. It's a lovely, that's absolutely gorgeous. A lot of tasting notes to it. It's spicy, it's rummy, and a lot of flavours as well. It's got to say with the Falernum, you can taste the spice in it with the cinnamon, and just everything about it is just beautiful. And it's just nicely balanced as well, and it's a perfect Caribbean drink, and I would highly recommend it. But that, guys, is the Green Swizzle cocktail. If you wish to see more cocktails like this, don't forget to like and subscribe, as I'm really enjoying these tiki cocktails lately, especially with the Absinthe. And I will see you guys in the next cocktail video. Cheers.